everybody doing? Happy Sunday. It is 8:51 and where I'm at, I don't know where y'all at, but morning, afternoon, evening. Hi, how y'all doing? In the Dollar Tree. Yeah. So I'll show all the goodies I got. Second. Got a big deal here. A gallon of ammonia. Put this from a Dollar Tree. 1 gallon, guys. Heavy. Yeah, so. And let's see it. Good deal, buddy. Okay, I'll show you what else I got. Hold on. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm back. The other thing I got from Dollar Tree is small clothespins. There's 36 count. I can use those. And this Airborne Plus Energy B vitamin, support energy, nice package, natural berries, refreshing it. Awesome. This stuff is the bomb. Okay. This is the bomb. You take 3 times per day. So yeah. But yeah, it's got vitamin C, B, excellent source of all sorts of vitamins in there. So yeah. So yeah, I'll go get some. This is I highly recommend this stuff. Okay? So let's go get some of this stuff. It's good. And got my coat hangers. 8 count. So those are my hangers. And I got this stuff. Peppermint rosemary. Scented body wash and peppermint rosemary body butter. So yeah. So it's peppermint rosemary, 2-piece body care set. So yeah. So we're gonna open it up and see what it looks like inside. So I'm gonna open this thing. If I can open it, guys. I know, I'm making noise. I hope you'll have time. So this is the body wash. Oh, it smells awesome. Yes, it does. It smells awesome. Warning, the lid is not closed good. Warning. But Now I can't really see this. Yeah. But yeah. Body butter. That sounds good. But yeah, that's it. Now I can't really see, but yeah. So I got that. So yeah. So that's what I got from Dollar Tree. I know this video is so long, ain't it? Okay. Next, I went to thrift store. Nice foot shirt. Set strings. I spent $2.50 on it. That's cute. Strings on it on both ends. Yeah, I got that. Then I got this night shirt. So, yeah. That's all I got, guys. Thank you again for all my old and new subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and yeah. So I hope everybody's enjoying this show, and I hope everybody had a good weekend, and yeah. So until next time, guys, I love you all, and I'm just gonna no. Anyway, thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And yeah, I'm just dragging this video along, just making it long. So yes, guys, and yeah. So if you haven't tried this, go get y'all some. Yeah, it's the bomb. So anyway, guys, I love you all, and thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you haven't, thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below. So until next time, guys, I love you all. Bye.